Hi everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of one of the boxes I got from Amazon today. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to just cut this box open real quick. And see what's inside. I don't know why they had to ship it in such a big box. Packaging. Look at that. That's how big that item is. They literally they could have put it in a box smaller than that. Wow. Let's see, what is this? It is 17 inches long. And this box is 29 inches and 3/4. And it's 7 3/8 wide. That's ridiculous. Look at that. And it's not even the width of the box. That's just ridiculous. Alright, so I'll probably be putting all of these together as a collective video after. So these are some socket rails that I picked up. This is a combo kit, so it comes with 1/2 inch, 1 3/8, and 1/4. They are pretty light as well. Looks like I got a sticker. Item number is Alpha Lima Sierra Roger, Greg Roger. X-Ray 001, Queen 8, Victor 965. Move the light over here so you guys can see. So this is the guy right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's 1, 22, 23, 24. Which I believe is what it said. I do wish that they would provide more of these clips. Just out of curiosity, is it the same as these clips? Kind of looks like it. These are the rails that came on these Carlisle sockets. Need a pair of pliers. There. Pop one of these off. They look pretty similar, if not the exact same. Look at that. They actually are the exact same clips. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, they are the same clips, so that's pretty cool. I also like that these have where you can mount them. They got mounting holes on them. this is the green set. I am waiting for another 1/4 inch and another 3/8. Put this guy back on here. It's pretty neat that you can just pop these clips on and off. So it looks like everybody's probably using the same clips. Looks like the same clips on the Astro Pneumatics as well. Kind of actually looks like the same socket rail, to be honest. They probably are the exact same socket rail. But, I figured for $26.99 for these 3 plus $12.99 a piece for, you know, 1 extra 1/4, 1 extra 3/8 is not bad. Especially when these socket rails at Harbor Freight are massive. They're probably 26 inches long or so, and they only come with like 15 of these socket clips, and they're expensive at Harbor Freight. They're $20.99 for 1 rail, and the price doesn't change for whatever reason. The twist lock rails compared to just these style rails, you just pop the socket on them, they're the same price at Harbor Freight. Where the twist locks, where you put the socket on, twist the socket for it to lock onto the socket, those should be more expensive in my opinion than these styles where you just pop the socket on. For whatever reason, Harbor Freight thinks otherwise. These are, so the 3/8, and these are all the same length. That's what it looks like. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which is what they said. There should be 18. This one should have 24. And this one, 1/2 inch one, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Which is what it said it should have, 16. Just a quick little video. It's nice that they included a little sticker. I'll put that on the toolbox. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!